Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Windows 11 built-in troubleshooters are automatic tools provided by Microsoft Windows 11 to help users detect and fix common system problems without needing advanced technical knowledge. Select System in the Start menu. Select System again here. Then click on Troubleshoot. Here we have an option called Recommended Troubleshooter Preferences. Windows 11 operating system issues are detected by the operating system itself, and we can provide suggestions to fix them. Windows may determine that a particular device is affected by a problem based on Windows version information, user feedback, error information, device settings, hardware configuration, installed apps, and device capabilities such as drivers. Windows 11 will automatically notify you when it can help. You can choose whether to run the troubleshooter or ignore it. You must be connected to the internet to use the recommended troubleshooting. From here we can decide how Recommend to Troubleshoot should work on your computer. There are 4 options here. Run automatically, don't notify me. With this option, Windows will automatically run recommended troubleshooters for problems found on your device without bothering you. Run automatically, then notify me. With this option, Windows will tell you after recommended troubleshooters fix a problem so you know what happened. Ask me before running, default. This is the default Windows option. We will notify you when recommended troubleshooters are available. You can review the problem and changes before running the troubleshooter. Don't run anything. Windows will automatically run critical troubleshooters, but will not recommend troubleshooting for other problems. You will not receive notifications for known problems, and you will need to manually fix these problems on your device. Recommended Troubleshooting History is a feature in Windows 11 that shows a list of all the troubleshooting actions performed on your system. It keeps track of problems that were detected and the solutions applied. Other troubleshooters are a collection of built-in tools in Windows 11 that help diagnose and fix specific problems related to different system components. Each troubleshooter is designed to fix a particular issue. I'm first disabling the network card on this computer to check if the troubleshooter is working properly. Then try troubleshooting again by selecting the Other Troubleshooters option. Then try troubleshooting the network and internet. Now we will see the message that the network adapter is disabled. This means that when the network issue was checked, the troubleshooter found that the network card was disabled. We can also enable the adapter from here. Now we can see the message that the internet connection has returned. Now, if you are having trouble resolving any issues with your Windows operating system, you can contact the Windows support team via phone or live chat. 24-hour customer support is available from Microsoft. Click Contact Support below here. You can see many Microsoft products here. I choose the product Windows. Select the option you are interested in. I am choosing Online Chat here. Here we need to log in through a Microsoft account. I am logging in with my Hotmail ID. Now let's take a look at the Microsoft online chatting platform. We can talk to the support team live and seek guidance on how to resolve issues. Thank you for watching our video.